Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link Twitch to Xbox account, pro method step by step clearly. To link your Twitch account to your Xbox account, first, turn on your Xbox console. From the home screen, navigate to the Microsoft Store. In the store, use the search function to find the Twitch app. Select the Twitch app from the search results. Click on the Get or Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and then launch it. Once the app is open, you will see a prompt to sign in. Select the option to sign in with your Twitch account. A unique code will be displayed on the screen. Using a computer or mobile device, go to twitch.tv/activate. Enter the unique code displayed on your Xbox screen. After entering the code, click on the Activate button. Return to your Xbox and wait for the confirmation message. Once confirmed, your Twitch account will be linked to your Xbox account. You can now start streaming directly from your Xbox. Ensure your privacy settings are adjusted according to your preferences. Enjoy your streaming experience on Twitch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.